The civil authority has issued a hazardous materials warning for the following counties or areas. Macomb, Michigan at 10:04 p.m. on November 4th, 2025, effective until 10:04 p.m. November 6th, 2025. Message from IPOSCAP. A train derailment has occurred in Warren on the Interstate 696 underpass, and hazardous materials are being released. Both directions of I-696 have been closed. Please avoid area and take alternate routes.
The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for the following counties or areas: Macomb MI, at 11:10 p.m. on November 4, 2025, effective until 4:10 a.m. Message from IPOSCAP. Immediate evacuation for a 1-mile radius due to a chemical leak by a derailed train on Interstate 696. Interstate 696 is closed. Choose alternate route.
All clear. The I-696 train derailment has been cleared. You may return to the evacuated area.